Good morning, my YouTube friends. It's another Saturday morning, and it is a beautiful morning in my neck of the woods. Welcome back to my channel, guys. And in case you are new, please subscribe so you see just how I grow orchids in Jamaica. Guys, my almond tree, yes, it's a beautiful fixture in my yard, but it is causing me to scream. And so, guys, if you want to see just what this almond tree is doing to me, just stay tuned. Okay, guys, my almond tree is really beautiful in my yard. It's basically one of the main trees that I have that I can actually put my plants on and just enjoy them by sitting on my bench under the tree and just have tea or entertain and just have a beautiful time whether I'm reading or so forth. My almond tree has showcased some of my most lovely and beautiful orchids and blooms, from dendrobium orchids of different shape, different color and sizes, to my myrmecattleya orchids, which I recently showcased that were hanging under my almond tree. But today, guys, I must tell you that I am heartbroken. 2 times a year, it gives me so much work that I am now wondering what I should do about this almond tree. I am going to depend on you guys to give me the solution for this. Now, when you look at this almond tree, guys, look at it. You notice the leaves are turning yellow, they are spotted. I am heartbroken because my almond tree is diseased, and I actually have my plants under the almond tree, and outside of that it is dropping its leaves. I noticed that it is causing some stress to some of my orchids that are in my vanda bed. Few of my plants are becoming spotted. Yes, guys, and I know it is actually coming from the almond tree leaves. But look here, guys. Look at the amount of work that I have, and each morning I get up, guys, I have to be cleaning these up out of my vanda bed. Now I got up this morning and I actually started my morning chore, and this is one pile that I had to rake up. But look here, even though I just raked those, they are still dropping, guys. So by the day is to end, I am still going to have to come back and clean again, or sometimes I leave it until the next day. This can be a lot of work. Yes, guys, it can be a lot of work. It is giving me more work. So what do you suggest that I do with this almond tree, guys? Do I replace this almond tree? I know, guys, because we all love this almond tree, so therefore replacing it, guys, I don't know. I want you to tell me what I should do. While I enjoy the blooms hanging from the almond tree, but the work that it gives me, guys, and especially because I have to do it by myself. Yes, guys, I have to do it on my own. And remember, I also have a 9-to-5, guys, so you can just imagine how stressful it can be at times. I'm just gonna show you outside of the weeds, guys, that yes, look at this plant. I noticed these pots on it. Yes, and I am not happy with that because I know it can move from one plant to the other, and so I had to quickly treat that. But look there, guys, all over. If I do not come out here each day and take these out of the bed, guys, this is actually the result of it. Yes, guys. So, and look here, just look at this. I can't allow my bed to be like this. I have to clean it. Yes, I have to clean it. So I have to be cleaning this each morning before I go to work. And by the time I get back home, guys, this is what I see again, guys. So you know how much work this is actually causing me. And so, guys, I want you to give me the answer. I want you to make the decision as to what I do with my infamous almond tree. Yes, look at it. Just look at it. Yes, the plants are hanging on it, and the plants like to be under it. It provides filtered sun. It provides a haven even for my birds, the birds that passes through, guys. Yes, but it is giving me so much work, and it is causing a little bit of stress on the plants. And it doesn't happen just once. It happened twice per year. And so, guys, what will happen? It will shed all its leaves. And so if you look at it, look at the amount of leaves that are there. Look at all those leaves. Yes, so it is going to shed all those leaves. And guess where they're going to fall? They are going to fall right here in my Vanda bed. And if I am not careful, I am going to have more plants with spots like these. Yes, guys, with spots like these. Do we want spots on our plants? No, we don't want spots on our plants. And so it is time for me to make a decision. But I don't want to make that decision without you being a part of it. And so I am including you in this decision, guys. You tell me, what should I do about this almond tree? Should I leave it? Should I allow it to spot my plants? Should I allow it to continue to give me a lot of work where I have to get up each morning and just rake and rake and rake? Tell me, what should I do, guys? I'm depending on you. Yes, I'm depending on you to tell me, what should I do about my precious almond tree in my yard? No, sometimes I really don't mind doing the work in terms of cleaning below the tree, picking the leaves out of the garden. But as you go along, you realize that it becomes work after a while, especially when you have other things to do. Yes, guys. So I want you to help me to make that decision, guys. What must I do with my almond tree? Should I replace it with another type of tree? And if so, what kind of tree should I replace it with? Or should I replace it with a pergola? Yes, you tell me what you think, and whatever you say, guys, that is what I am going to do. Well, you know how dear my almond tree is to me and to you, my supporters. Yes, I know it is quite a fixture in my garden, and you enjoy it as much as I enjoy sitting under the almond tree. But no, it is causing me some little horror here, because I have to be cleaning, I have to be raking, I have to be spraying, and once it is diseased like this, guys, it really impacts my plants. So I have to make that decision. and I have to make that decision soon as to what I do with this almond tree. You notice the amount of leaves on it? I am going to have to clean up all these leaves when they fall. Yes, guys, I am going to have to clean all these leaves. And see, they have started falling already. It's not easy because this is an everyday task, and so guys, I want you to help me to make that bold decision as to what I do with my almond tree. So while I like to have the plants hanging, and the plants love to be hung under the almond tree because of the kind of protection it gets from the tree, it filters the sun, it also filters the rain. Yes, guys, it does, because it does not allow the rain to beat the plants, and so they love to be under the almond tree. And so guys, I need you to help me to make that decision as to what I do with this almond tree, because the plants are screaming too. Yes, guys, they are screaming because each morning I come out, I have to be taking the leaves from off the plants. Yes, guys, I have to be taking them out of the pots. This time of year, it doesn't happen all the time, but it happens twice per year, and this time of the year is one such time when I have to do this. And so guys, I want you to help me to make that decision. Help me guys to figure out what to do with this almond tree. And this goes on for a few weeks. Yes, guys, for a few weeks. Every morning I have to come out, I have to sweep, I have to remove the leaves from the plants, I have to remove them from the garden. And of course, this is becoming tedious now, and so I want you to help me to decide, or you to tell me what you think I should do, guys, because I am not happy this morning with my almond tree. If you enjoyed, just give me a thumbs up, and so you never miss another video, please subscribe to my channel. And as we say in Jamaica, just follow back on me. This is the Orchid Duck, and I am growing orchids in Jamaica.